Hi guys, welcome back to Lewis and Rose Interiors. Today we are at Project Chad, and we have our contractor walkthrough today. So at this point, the homeowners, they've gathered quite a few contractor bids just to see the pricing for all of our structural changes and also any of the built-ins that we're recommending for permanent changes to their home. And after all of those bids that they received, they really loved working with Brandon Allen of Masterpiece Construction, which we love because we've worked with Brandon on quite a few projects as well. So today I'm going to be walking through all of the spaces with him, taking a look at our construction documents with him, and answering any questions that he may have before his team gets started.
I'm Brett Seidel, the owner and principal designer of Lewis and Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks, to fun room reveals, to informative interviews, and of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome.
All right, this is Brandon Allen of Masterpiece Construction. Brandon, we're so excited to have you on board. The homeowners are super eager to get moved into their homes. So today we're just gonna walk through the construction documents together, chat through any questions that you have, and we'll get the design vision moving.
All right, sounds good.
Let's go.
We're excited. So we're opening all this up, right?
Yep.
Our carpenter's gonna move the beam up into the attic, gonna create a nice big opening here, like we kind of talked about. And then we'll be framing in over here for the fitness room.
Yep.
And then we're gonna give them some windows on that instead of one of these sliders, right? Yep. And then I guess the only other thing in this area is this butler's pantry. We gotta make sure that we're going a flat wall here, here to create that, taking this out, and then framing it for the pocket door, right?
Yep.
All right, just want to make sure because that pocket door is framed differently than if we were doing it like a swinging door.
Yeah, we're gonna do a pocket in there. And there's our elevations for that. So bar sink here with bar sink base cabinet, beverage refrigerator. So I have a 2-foot opening just for standard size on that.
Yeah.
Above that, just stationary wood shelves. A herringbone backsplash there. And then I did call out for under shelf lighting on all of these guys. So just a nice LED strip. If it can be recessed into that shelf a little bit so that it's concealed, that would be great too.
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll take a router bit and do a rabbet along there so that it can be recessed in there so we don't necessarily see it. I mean, the ones we use are super thin, but we'll do that just to make sure it gives a nice clean polish to it.
Perfect. So below here, these both are appliance garages with an upwards hinge. And then above here, just tall pantry cabinets with adjustable shelves.
And then we'll have a nice big opening through here into the breakfast nook.
Yep.
So cool.
For this fitness room, Matt was hoping to reuse one of the French doors from the bedroom as this door here. So they're really nice, 3 feet wide actually. So they seem to be in good condition. So he was hoping just to reuse this guy for there.
Reuse them, repaint them, right?
Yep.
New hardware?
New hardware, yep.
All right, cool. Shouldn't be a problem.
This is kind of a new little piece here, which I do have an enlarged plan of the living room. We want to turn this into a new little desk built-in area for Vicky. So essentially demoing that, building this wall out 4.5, that way we can create that subtle arch out of the drywall here.
You said build this out 4.5 inches, so we want it coming out this way?
So just this side. So this side will stay as it is. We just need to build this side out. That way we have enough leverage to create. Yeah,
right.
Exactly.
Balance for the arch. I got you. All right, that's not a problem.
Okay, so that's really it for this space, other than some of the electrical swaps. Similar to what you're used to seeing in our set, I have a full lighting schedule in the back. And then we can go to the office, which is a big guy. For this big built-in, This entire wall is gonna be his office built in. Basically, desktop that carries the whole base. So that's gonna be 2 feet deep on that with a wood topper. Just cabinet base here with an adjustable shelf. 2 sets of drawers with file inserts in them. Same over here with the deep drawers with file insert. And then on this right guy, I'm gonna have a pull-out shelf behind those cabinet fronts for a printer. I actually didn't have any inspiration particularly for this. This is fully custom, so if you have questions around this.
We'll probably need, let me try to wrap my head around it first, and then I'm sure I'll have questions for you regarding it too.
Okay, so for the upper portion, that's gonna sit back slightly, but these are just tiny little drawers here on the top there with little knobs, and then stationary shelves above with lighting in them, so similar to the pantry with that LED lighting strip underneath. And then the central piece to help kind of hide the linear aspect of some of those returns down there.
Right.
Doing that paneling.
So what kind of paneling are you wanting back there though? I mean, are we talking about like, is this just like a shiplap that we're just gonna?
It's a shiplap, yeah, basically. I do have that specific board size called out in the schedules. I believe it's a 5-inch.
The only question I had on the existing conditions is over here.
Yep.
You know, if we're coming out 24 inches here, we're cutting like midway through this panel. Do you want me to just cut that so that it like fits flush?
Yep.
Okay. All right, yeah, that's fun.
Fabulous.
Cool. It's gonna be fun.
It is gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm excited to see the transformation.
Okay.
For sure.
Awesome.